Hi folks, and welcome back. Well, I'm in the Highlands of Scotland in Aviemore for Dunedin the Glens, which is a massive Harley Davidson rally. Keep watching. It should be a great weekend. Okay, thank you. Yep. Hiya.
Some scary looking bike, isn't it?
How you doing?
Yay!
Hey! You're on camera.
Hi everybody, this is great at Dunedin the Glens. Glad to see you all.
Watch out, Aviemore, we're here and
Hope you enjoyed the video.
cheers folks! Cheers to everyone out there watching. I wish you were here.
It's Kieran Gurham Hotel.
Hello, YouTube. Hi, Big Andy here. Dunedin the Glens 2018.
You had a good night.
Yes, brilliant.
Hi! Dunedin the Glens 2018. I'm on the Honda 125. Next year, 650. Looking forward to it. Hey!
Name's Jim. Hi. Alec and Vanessa, we're very drunk, had a cup of tea, want to go home to bed.
Lovely hot chocolate.
Good morning, campers. It's a campsite, folks. That's righty. This is Granton on Spey, folks. It's time to park up and party. So back in Aviemore now, folks, and we've got lots of stalls. There is loads happening.
But somehow it has done me. Spellbound against me on my feet.
And we've got a bike show.
Okay, a bit of boogie.
YouTube. Having a good time at Thunder. I'm here.
Hey, hello YouTube. Hope you're having a good time at Thunder.
I need it.
Pretty faces all the white, beautiful Harleys. You know that I'm gonna change this. You know that I could use a Harley. You know that I could use somebody. Are you ready to go?
Hello, my name's Bryn. I'm with up at this fantastic event up in Thunder in the Glens 2018, and you weren't here. Yes, you weren't here. So come next year, you're missing out. Thank you.
To everyone that's not here, we wish you were. Cheers. Cheers.
Dunedin Chapter 2018 was fabulous. Have a wonderful time and we'll see you next year.
Have you enjoyed the rally?
You bet. It's just a pity it's finished and I have to go home.
Bye. I'm staying here until next year. You can come and join me if you want. Camp right next to me. You'll have a good time. Bye.
Nice meeting you all. We'll see you all next year, guys.
Thanks for watching, folks. Hey!
Thunder! Thunder!
Well, that's it, folks. Yep, good times and a good rally. That was great.